We've seen a lot of productivity tools come and go over the last few years. Basically, they couldn't help you be productive. But as we settle into the future, one name keeps coming up for those of us who value our digital sanity. It's Obsidian, the OG. Obsidian is more than just a place to scribble down ideas. It's a way to build a lasting footprint of your own thoughts. And there are reasons you should still use Obsidian in the era of AI. Yes, today we want to walk you through exactly why this platform has become our go-to for staying organized and why you should use Obsidian. Starting with the most important thing we need to discuss, let's talk about where your information actually lives. In a world where most big apps keep your data locked away in their own private databases, we find it refreshing that Obsidian takes a completely different path. With Obsidian, we have total ownership because it uses local markdown files. This means every single note we write is just a simple text file sitting right there on our hard drive. We can see them, we can move them, and we can back them up however we like. Because these are plain text files, they are completely future-proof. Even if the Obsidian app disappeared from the earth tomorrow, we could still open our notes in any basic text editor like Notepad or VS Code. We aren't just making notes, we're building a library that will stay with us for decades, regardless of what happens in the tech industry. So guys, we have to address the elephant in the room, and that is AI. It seems like every app under the sun is trying to shove AI features down our throats, but usually that comes at a high price for our privacy. Most AI tools require you to send your private thoughts and sensitive work data up to a corporate server to be processed. For many of us, that's a deal breaker. However, we love how Obsidian handles this through its community-driven ecosystem. By using plugins like Copilot or Smart Connections, we can actually connect our notes to local large language models. This means we get all the incredible benefits of AI, like summarizing long meetings or chatting with our past research, without a single byte of our data ever leaving our computer. We get to keep our privacy intact while still using the latest tech to find patterns in our thinking. It's the best of both worlds, the power of intelligence with the security of a locked vault. Building on that idea of finding patterns, we need to talk about how Obsidian actually helps us think better through bidirectional linking. Most of us grew up using folders to organize our lives, but that's not really how the human brain works. Our minds are a web of connected ideas, and Obsidian mimics that perfectly. When we link two notes together using those simple double brackets, we're creating a permanent bridge between those thoughts. Over time, this builds what we call the graph view, which is a visual map of our entire knowledge base. It's honestly a bit of a relief when we're working on a new project and the app shows us a connection to a meeting note we wrote back in 2024 that we had completely forgotten about. This non-linear way of working allows us to discover insights that would have stayed buried in a traditional folder system. Instead of hunting for a file name, we navigate by context, following the natural trail of our own curiosity. Another reason we find ourselves coming back to this tool is that it doesn't force us to work in a specific way. When you first open Obsidian, it looks like a very simple, clean text editor. But as we've seen, the community plugin library has matured into something truly spectacular. We can turn this simple interface into whatever we need it to be at that moment. If we need to brainstorm a big idea, we switch over to the native Canvas feature, which lets us lay out our notes visually, like a digital whiteboard. We even use the Daily Notes feature to automatically track our habits and logs every morning. We don't have to go out and buy 5 different apps for journaling, task management, and mind mapping. We just tailor Obsidian to fit our needs as they change. It grows with us rather than making us shrink our workflow to fit its limits. Finally, we have to talk about the sheer speed and reliability of the experience. Since Obsidian is a local-first app, it doesn't suffer from the loading screens or sync lag that plague cloud-based tools. When we want to find a piece of information, it's there instantly. There's no waiting for a spinning circle while the app talks to a server 3,000 miles away. This makes a huge difference when you're in the flow of deep work and don't want to be interrupted by a slow connection. This offline-first approach is a lifesaver when we're traveling or working working in spots with spotty Wi-Fi. Whether we're on a plane or tucked away in a remote cabin, our entire second brain is always accessible. And while the files stay local for security, we still have the freedom to sync them across our Mac, Windows, and mobile devices using Obsidian Sync or even free tools like iCloud. It gives us that seamless cross-platform experience we expect without ever compromising on the speed and reliability that only local files can provide. To sum this up, we believe Obsidian is the ultimate tool for anyone serious about their workflow. It gives us back the control we've lost to the cloud, combining privacy with powerful connected thinking. If you're tired of your notes feeling scattered or insecure, give it a try today. Download Obsidian, create your first vault, and start connecting your thoughts. It's time to own your data and supercharge your mind. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.